where there are difficulties, there are us.
We're guardians of the sea.
We're everywhere.
Ta-da! Sharks help team transform.
Set off.
Oh, the alarm goes off. Someone needs help. Connected successfully. Hello, this is Sharks Help Team. Our home, the coral reef, was polluted. Sharks Help Team, please think of a solution. We are clear about the situation. Don't worry, Sharks Help Team is taking action. Let me see. The team member for this action must be
Mommy Shark starts to transform. Set off, Mommy Shark, the heroine of agility.
our home.
These filthy things have polluted the sea. Don't be sad. I will restore your home to its original beauty. Look at this. Let me suck up the dirt.
Yahoo! Thank you so much! Oh, Mommy Shark, there is still a lot of trash among the sea anemones. What should we do?
That is easy. Let me fix it. Let's go.
Yeah, let's go!
Oh, the trash is there.
No! Sea anemones are poisonous. Don't touch them.
Ah, I should use rope. Wrap the trash with...
Wow! Great! Our home is back to normal. Oh, my friends all moved away after the coral reef was polluted.
Oh, the baby fish are so lonely here. I should come up with a way to liven things up. Grandpa Shark, can you do me a favor?
No problem. Grandpa Shark starts to transform. Set off, Grandpa Shark, the master craftsman. Yeah, it's great. There are many big and beautiful shells in the sea. Let's use these shells to build an amusement park. Let's drill the holes in the shells first. Let's build revolving shells.
Yeah! It's a lot of fun.
The coral garden is lively again. Sharks Help Team mission complete.
A Medal of Honor has been obtained!
Yeah! Sharks Help Team is the best.